Hi, Michael.
Hey, good morning
Morning.
or good afternoon. I guess I'm not sure which location you're at.
I was thinking of the same thing. I'm in Houston. You're in Colorado?
I am in Kansas City,
Ah,
so
Kansas
same
City.
time zone.
How's weather there?
It's been kind of cold and rainy for May this entire month.
Oh, that's good. It is raining now, but it was pretty hot in the past couple weeks.
Yeah, this is not the best time of year to be, or you have to go to Houston.
It is not. This first time I think to join this water efficiency
Okay,
water
great.
program.
We are trying to get people to join. Which company are you from?
So I'm actually from the sustainability um project co one of the co-leader.
Oh, okay, great. I don't know if Shruti, there was supposed to be another co-lead on this, but I have not heard from him in a while. So we've
Yeah,
been
that's what I heard. Yep.
We've been trying to get some more interest in this to at least because we kind of need, I guess, more opinions on what we want to do in terms of a metric for this group or how we want to define this work stream workflow.
And when we talk about water, I guess you're talking about the primary loop, distilled water system.
Yeah, so that's kind of been the question. I posted some info from the Green Grid. Um, there's a couple of ways people have been breaking that down and essentially drawing like boundaries around the data center where you just count your facility loop water, or do you count it all the way back to the power plant and other water usage that goes into the design? And I think that's another part of the discussion if we can get some more opinions on how we want to define that.
Ah, okay. But we're not gonna touch on the secondary loop or the technology water system, right?
In terms of water usage, that loop's pretty closed. I guess I'm not as familiar with any blowdown or what water usage other than once the loop's filled, is there really any water that's actually I would say used through operation?
I think that's more like not really water, but more like a glycol mixture, like
Yeah, it's
ethylene glycol.
usually
Yeah.
yeah, it's usually like a glycol mixture or deionized water.
Yeah.
Um,
Or deionized water. Yep.
because yeah, I typically don't think of that as water usage other than like they fill it and then it's
I
pretty
see.
much a closed loop at that point.
Got it.
And we have also had some difficulties on 90.4 trying to define the water usage as well, because essentially anytime you're using evaporative media, you either use it or you don't, and like the evaporation rates are pretty consistent. Like there's not really any water savings or anything you can change a ton if you're evaporating water. If that makes sense. It's like an on-off switch, basically.
Got it.
I have not heard from Shruti either. I assume she's going to join soon. Might, if I never hear from Griff again, we might need to find another co-lead for this too. Because, yeah, I'm having a hard time kind of just getting it off the ground. And it doesn't help that it's just been a busy month work-wise
Yeah.
and family-wise.
Yeah. Agree.
So do you work for Open Compute then?
Oh, well, so my day job is a technology manager at BP Castrol.
Oh, okay.
And we do liquid cooling, like immersion in direct to chip deal, direct liquid cooling. So we pretty much do the um, secondary loop at the moment. So yeah, that's why I was asking. But
Yeah,
I
and
don't, yeah,
which
go ahead.
fluids are you using, I guess, kind of more petroleum based ones, or which fluids are you guys providing?
So for immersion, because it has to be dielectric or electrically insulating, it has to be, it should not be water. So a lot of the immersion oils is based on the hydrocarbon coming from the petroleum process. And for DLC, we have glycol product, um, like propylene glycol 25 or ethylene glycol 25. So yeah, we're in those the liquid business.
Okay, because yeah, I thought I'd seen BP. I thought I'd seen you guys, because I'm going to 7 by 24 in a couple of weeks, but I thought I'd seen you guys at DCD as well.
Yeah, so we've been at DCD. I think one of our team is going to 724 also. Was it like San Antonio somewhere, Texas?
The fall one is, the one in a
Ah,
couple weeks is in Orlando.
that's right. Yeah. So we're gonna go there too. Um, we went to DCW and DC. We do go to DCD. We went to New York. I forgot what other DCD we go to in the
There's
United States.
Virginia as well.
Ah, got it. We go to obviously OCP too. Um, yeah, we go to a lot of the conferences.
Yeah, there's a lot of them to go to. I don't know. I have not heard from Shruti. I don't know if she's gonna be joining the call or not.
I just email Alex and Shruti. Are they gonna join? I haven't got email yet, but it was like a minute ago sent out. So maybe we give a couple one more minute until 11:40, then we finish them.
Yeah, I guess
Alyssa, yeah.
on another note, so would you be interested in doing a co-lead on this with me?
So
Or are you already too busy with the other one?
what I discussed with Alex and Shruti is maybe I support you and potential another co-lead.
Okay.
Um, because I don't really have a knowledge about the water, especially going to the primer loop. Um, so yeah, that
And
was the discussion we had.
so what is the best way to kind of do outreach on this to kind of get people interested in joining this?
Yeah, I don't know if we had a chance to talk to other cooling environment people. Like there's a project like sustainability, there's a project called cooling environment. There's also another project like data center facility group too. I don't know, we had a chance to talk to them to advertise our new work stream. Um, we can also talk to like Coldplay. I don't know, Coldplay is relevant. But yeah, maybe we can go talk to other project or sub-project group um, to gauge their interest.
To at least try to get some other people to get some interest in it.
Yeah, yeah, this would be a lot of work just to do alone. So we need a not just the co-lead, but potentially also small working group at least. Because
Yes, yep.
it's not just two people job either.
Because really, I think at this point we need to define a scope and we need more than just, yeah, we need an actual group of at least 4 or 5 people, I think, to kind of give input on what this committee should be achieving in terms of a water usage, either that's a metric or a scorecard or how we want to frame it.
Yeah, agree. Yeah. Okay. Do you want to wait more?
No, I think we can probably call it. Yeah, I will. Let me think of other places we can reach out to people. You said kind of some of these other OCP groups might be. I don't know if I could reach out to Don Mitchell or some of those guys. And if you had any other committees you think people might be interested in from it.
Yep.
Okay. I guess that's kind of I'll start working on that. So I guess that's kind of the next step, I guess, from this is to just try to get people interested.
Yeah. I will take a look and I will send an email to you where I think it'll be a good other project that potentially we can go talk to.
Okay. That'd be great. All right. It was nice speaking to you. Hopefully we can get some momentum on this at least.
Yep. Sounds good. Same
All right.
here.
Thank you.
Talk
Bye.
to you later. Bye.